Hello everyone, in today's video I will be showing you how to make Instant Pot Caldo de Res. Starting off with ingredients, I have a tray of mixed vegetables, everything that I need for my caldo, along with 2 pieces of beef shank. I will be using both the beef and the tomato bouillon and some salt. The first thing that I'm going to do is cut my beef shanks into smaller pieces. You don't have to do this if you have a bigger Instant Pot. I have the 3 quart, so I just want to cut them so that they fit better since it is a little bit smaller. And don't forget to rinse your meat at least 3 or 4 times just so that it's super clean. I really like these mixed vegetable trays. They come with literally everything that you need for your caldo. It came with a carrot, a celery stick, cilantro, a jalapeno, a lime, a couple of potatoes, 3 small onions, a quarter of a cabbage, 1 chayote, a zucchini, and even 1 elote. Of course, you can add any vegetables that you like to your caldo. These are just some of the ones that I really like. And you know, I do like a variety of vegetables in my caldo, so I added a little bit of everything. To the Instant Pot, I added 1 small onion cut in half, 1 teaspoon of beef bouillon, 1 teaspoon of tomato bouillon, and about half a teaspoon of salt. To my blender, I'm adding 2 small tomatoes, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1 small, very small onion. I'm blending this up and putting it in my Instant Pot. If you don't have this in hand, you can even add powdered onion and garlic and a little bit more tomato bouillon. We're going to cook our meat first. We're going to set our Instant Pots on high pressure for 35 minutes. Once the 35 minutes are up, we're going to release that pressure. We're going to open it up, give it a stir, taste the broth just to see if it needs more salt. In my case, I did add about a teaspoon more of beef bouillon and a little bit of salt as well. Now it's time to add the vegetables to your Instant Pot. I am fitting as many vegetables as I can. I do have the 3 quart Instant Pot, so it doesn't fit a lot of food, but it's perfect for my family of 3. If you do have a bigger Instant Pot, you can add more water, more meat, and vegetables. For now, this works for me. We're gonna go ahead and close this up. We're gonna cook it. I set it up for 8 minutes, but I actually left it for 5. So once 5 minutes are up, we release the air. Our caldo is completely done. If I would have left it for the 8 minutes, I think my potatoes would have be fallen apart. So 5 minutes was perfect. This is the final product. This caldo came out so good. I love the variety of vegetables and it was just so good. I do like to add a little bit of lime to my caldo. And then I did make una salsa verde to go with this as well. I like to slap it on my tortilla and it's so good. I hope you guys give it a try. Let me know if you do. Please don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you guys in my next video.